Today at Selfridges we're launching Project Ocean. This is a piece of retail activism where we're using everything in our creative arsenal to tell the story of endangered fish. We'll start with our windows, then into our food hall where we only stock sustainable fish. We want to make a big noise about overfishing, and that's what Project Ocean is about.
Having 80% of the world's fisheries fully overexploited and moving towards a situation in 2050 where we will collapse most of the world's fisheries doesn't make sense for people. It doesn't make sense for biodiversity, and it doesn't make sense for business. So it should be an easy message for us to sell. We just need to get it to the right audience, and this is our opportunity.
It's quite difficult for a normal member of the public to make sense of all the different issues about fish. It becomes a lot easier if the retailer does it for them and asks all the difficult questions and sorts everything out, so that they can basically buy fish with a clear conscience from that retailer. And when you have a large retailer taking a stand about this, that actually opens up the market for smaller people, smaller retailers, restaurateurs, whatever, to actually be able to do the same and follow suit.
It's going to raise public awareness on the kind of fish that you can eat and the kind of fish you can't eat, telling people to buy Marine Stewardship Council certified fish, line-caught fish, as opposed to things like bluefin tuna. So this kind of information going into, you know, the public consciousness is going to have a huge effect, and it's just about people shopping and eating more responsibly.
Retailers have a massive role to play. The big supermarkets, places like Selfridges where people come to buy fish, if the fish they stock is sustainable, then the fish that goes out the door is the right kind of fish. I like the fact that what we've got here is total saturation. You cannot come into this store at the moment and miss the message. It's not just here at the fish counter or the food hall, it's all around the store. And I think it's now going to reach people who might otherwise miss it, so that's fantastic.
This is a big noise that we're making about overfishing. It's our first foray into conservation issues, but it certainly won't be our last. It's about a journey towards sustainable retailing, and I think that's something that we as a business really want to pursue. It's something that we believe in and we think our customers expect it of us.